So this is the entrance, the sliding gate. There we have the gas tank and the carport. And the garden is here from the dry stone wall down there. And there you can see in the back the artesian well with the pump and the incredible sea view. The entrance is from the terrace side. So you arrive here. That's the terrace. This is the official entrance door. This is the living room, dining room, and in the back there's another sliding door which makes separate this part of the house. So you can close this part with a small living room with one bedroom. Outside door. You can go to the back of the house. You can also have sea view. And each room has access to the garden, which is really nice if you have guests. Okay, so I go inside again. They have air conditioning through a central system. That's the bathroom. With bath tube in the ground and really nice windows, which is a nice design. This is small sheds you can close and open and see the Atlantic coast, Adriatic coast, Atlantic coast not. That's a heating system for the towels, bidet, Vichy. This is the kitchen in the back. The kitchen has also sliding doors. It's American style, so you have this easel and this island, and then you have the freezer behind, the oven, dishwasher, washing machine, microwave, and you have the dishes. The other door here, coffee maker and all other stuff. And you have a hidden door here with touch open. That's a technical room, a little bit storage room for the kitchen with a boiler. They have filter for the water system, alarm system, everything is here. And then we have the second part with the 2 bedrooms and a shared bathroom. Nice design again. The same system, small windows with the sheds, which you can close and then lock. Very nice. They have mosquito nets, so you can let this open in summer, which is really, really nice. And no thief pass through because it's too small. You have a walk-in cabinet here. Big one, very huge. In the middle is the bathroom. Shower. And again, toilet and bidet. And a heating system for the towels. And from here, you can go outside again. Here also the sliding doors you can close and sleep well when the others have a party. at the terrace. And you can slide the big windows here all in one. So then you have a really open space, which is nice in summer. There is an outdoor shower. And there is another terrace. If you have guests, that would be nice if they have breakfast here, their own space. You see the Atlantic coast again. It's almost going around. And there is additional a deposito or a garage down there. Which you can use like you want. There's deposito because there's no storage room now in the house, and you have a garage if you want to keep a car here, so you can lock it. Very nice. And you have also from here sea view. We are too high to hear the train or any noise from the highway. So that's peace. It's a little piece of heaven.